Sunshine's just
Hi.
here. Hi, I like my paw.
Quickly, Pearly, what have we got?
And today
Day.
we have number 20.
Day 20.
Five more days until Christmas.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yes, so exciting. I
There's
can't
so
wait for
many
Christmas.
presents under the tree.
Yes, there is going to be a lot of fun this Christmas.
Let's see what's in here.
We've got a new baby cousin.
Yeah.
It's going to be very exciting Christmas. Oh, they're pretty, aren't they?
I knew I saw some arrows in there.
Would you like some stickers like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really cute. So we have some stickers. These are our indigo and violet stickers. These match both collections beautifully and they are great for scrapbooking, journaling, card making, you name it, or just because you're 8 years old and you love stickers. So here are our stickers. Till tomorrow, guys. We'll see ya. Bye.
Bye.